Hey, welcome back. In this video, I'm going to do a comparison between Revolut and Trading 212. So here, the two platforms, such as Revolut and Trading 212, are both popular platforms for managing and trading money, but they serve different purposes and offer distinct features. Here is a detailed comparison of these two platforms. Now, let's begin about the purpose and the core feature of these two platforms. So, Revolut is going to be a financial app. It has a app on the mobile, both on Android and also on iOS. So, the app it provides digital banking services, including checking accounts, debit cards, money transfer, currency exchange, and investment options. It is designed to be a comprehensive financial platform that lets users manage their day to day spending, savings, and investments all in one place, which is going to be the app. Revolut also offers a range of premium services like travel insurance, but it is going to be into the premium or the paid service, and the cryptocurrency trading and also stock trading, making it all in one tool for personal finance. Now, let's go and present the Trading 212. It is going to be primarily an investing platform. It offers commissions free stock and ETF trading along with CDFs, which is going to be the abbreviation of contracts for difference, and a feature for fractional shares. The platform is focused on providing an easy to use interface for those looking to trade stocks and other financial instruments. It is known for its beginner friendly approach to investing with zero commission, and it often popular among retail traders looking to invest in global markets. Now, let's talk about the investment options about the two platforms. So, starting with Revolut, stocks and ETFs. Revolut allows you to trade stocks and ETFs from global exchanges with a simple interface. It has a fractional share trading, so you can invest in high priced stocks without buying the whole share. So for the cryptocurrency, Revolut is going to be supporting cryptocurrency trading, including Bitcoin, Ethereum, and other altcoins, which is a major selling point for users interested in crypto. For the commodities and also the metals, some plans also offer access to the commodities like gold and silver, as well as investment tracking tools. For the investments accounts, Revolut offers a standard account for basic feature, which is going to be a free, and a paid account named Premium for metals to come with added benefits such as a higher trading limits and also a premium customer support. Now, for Trading 212, it is going to be on the stocks and ETFs, of course. It is going to offer a commission free trading of stocks and ETFs on major global exchanges like the NYSE, LSE, and others. You can buy fractional shares, making it easier to start investing with smaller amounts. Now, for the CFDs, Trading 212 offers CDF trading for stocks, indices, and commodities, allowing the users to speculate on price movement without owning the underlying assets. This is an advanced feature and it is best suited for the experienced traders. Now, for the ISA or the individual saving account, in the UK, Trading 212 offers an ISA account that provides tax free gains on stocks and ETFs. Now, let's talk about the investment accounts on Trading 212. The platform offers both investing and CFD accounts, making it a versatile platform for both long term investors and traders looking for short term opportunities. So, it is going to be very good for the long term advisement or investing, and also the short term investing for small traders or beginner traders. Now, let's talk about the fees and the costs for both of the platforms. Let's begin with Revolut. The bank account of the Revolut is going to be principally free access, and also it has some basic services, but there are some limits or some premium features that you are going to have only on the premium plan, such as the currency exchange and the ATM withdrawals. So you're going to get here uh, the ability to change the currency only on the paid plan, and also for the ATM withdrawals, it is going to be limited when you are going to use the basic account. For instance, if you are making more than a certain number of free withdrawals per month or exchange large amounts of money, you may occur or incur small fees. For the premium or the metal account, you're going to get a higher tier plan. So it is going to be premium and metal. It is going to come with more features like higher withdrawal limits and also travel insurance that you're not going to find on the basic plan. Also, you're going to get a lower trading fees for the stocks. Now, for the stocks and crypto fees, you're going to have Revolut that is going to offer zero fee trading on stocks and ETFs up to a certain limit, of course. However, there is a small fee for cryptocurrency transactions, and this is going to be generated in all of the platforms that offer the cryptocurrency trading, especially when you are going to be converting a currency to another one. Now, let's talk about the standard currency exchange. Revolut is well known for the favorable exchange rates, but it is going to charge you a small fee for currency conversion during the weekends. Typically, it is going to be between zero point 0.5 to 2%. So for trading 212 or 212 or 212, it is going to be named something like that. You are going to get a zero commission account. So basically, trading 212 is one of these standout platforms for commission free trading. You don't pay fees for trading stocks and also ETFs. It is going to be making the app as an attractive platform for investors looking to minimize the costs of the or the fees of the transactions or the um, trading. Now, for the CFD trading, it is going to be offering a no commission for CFD trading, of course, but you will pay a spread, which is going to be the difference between the buy and sell prices. So this is going to be a little bit of a small amount, depending on the quantity that you have, which is how Trading 212 makes money of these trades. Now, for the currency exchange or the standard one, it is not going to charge fees for currency exchange if you are going to deal in multiple currencies, unlike the Revolut that we've saw that it will be when you are going to change the currency, you are going to get some fees. But you may face minor conversion costs when depositing or withdrawing in certain currencies. Now, let's talk about the user experience and also the interface of these two platforms. So Revolut is going to be designed to be an easy to use, all-in-one financial tool, and also it is going to be an app. So you can go ahead and sign in on your account on the desktop version, but the preferable method to use or to have this app or this platform fully functional and also reliable more, it is going to be having the app installed. So the app has a clean, minimalistic interface with a section for banking, budgeting, currency exchange, and investment. I'm going to show you here a glance of the app on your iOS device or your Android. It is going to be the same. This is our App Store with your preview. So you're going to get the app installed. You're going to see something which is going to be set up correctly for a phone user. You can have it on your iPad, and also you can manage them or manage the finances and also check it on your Apple Watch. About here, 200 or trading 212, it is going to be a platform which is going to be more focused on investing and trading with a clear separation between investments and trading accounts. It is a user friendly platform particularly for those just starting out on trading with features like fractional shares, easy to read charts, and easy order placement. That was pretty much everything about these apps. Now, for the customer support, both apps are going to, or both platforms are going to have here a good customer support, especially the 212. But for the Revolut, you're going to have the free based, let's say here, plan, which is going to be a little bit not that well on the customer service, but when you are going to get the premium plan, you're going to have the priority customer service. Now, for the security, both of these platforms are really secured and they are going to have a very good security measurement in them. But the Revolut is going to be regulated by the FCA, or the Financial Conduct Authority in the UK, and follows industry standard security measurement like the encryption and two-factor authentication. While it has a solid reputation for being secure, it is relative. The newness compared to traditional banks may make some users cautious. Now, for trading 212, it is going to be registered or regulated by the FCA also and follows the similar security protocols, such as encryptions and a two factor authentication. It is going to be widely regarded as a trustworthy platform, especially in Europe and in the UK, where it is going to be regulated, of course. So, here the final conclusion of this video. Both of the platforms are going to be very specific. If you are going to choose Revolut, you are going to look for a comprehensive digital banking app that offers a wide range of services like currency exchange, budgeting tools, and stock trading in one platform. And also, you want the convenience of managing your finances, investments, and crypto all in one place or all in one app. And if you have chosen the Trading 212, you're going to be focusing especially on a commission free stocks and ETF trading. And you want to trade fractional shares and have access to advanced trading features, including CFDs. So, if you are going to be looking for a platform with a great tools for building a diversified investment portfolio, especially if you live in the UK or the Europe, you're going to choose this app. So, the choice is going to be yours. If you are going to be interested in more trading, you're going to choose Trading 212. And if you're going to manage your financement only, or your finances or budgeting or your daily basis transactions, you need only Revolut. Basically, that was all for today's video. If you find this video helpful, please hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe.